What's going on? This is Marky Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you learn this new skill set or brush up on the old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if the tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training, hobbies, or DIY projects you may want to pick up. And comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. For everyone who has this passion and unique skills when it comes to crocheting or would like to take up this creative skill set or learn more, this is the tutorial for you. Also, with how to crochet for beginners, I will also have the links in the description below in regards to these two popular crocheting styles when it comes to DIY, animal granny squares and the wobbles. The crochet for beginners will give you the step-by-step illustrations along with 10 easy projects to start off with. Plus, you will learn 30 different fundamental crochet stitches and techniques. You will learn the different type of yarn and hook, essential and nice to have tools, and explanation of an important crochet terms. When it comes to skill building stitches, you will start off with the most basic and work your way up to the more intricate ones. Other techniques you will learn will be following as patterns, joining pieces, changing colors, and much more. When it comes to how to make an animal granny square, this book will show you 20 popular animals you can make, such as dogs, cats, lions, turtles, ladybugs, and more. You will learn how to use different stitches to create the right texture for your animals. Along with that, you will learn three-dimensional elements such as eyes, ears, horns, or wings. When it comes to the popular granny square patterns, or what is the best crochet stitch for granny squares, the only stitches you need to know for this one is slip stitch, chain stitch, single crochet, and double crochet. From blankets, sweaters, summer tops, bags, this book will give you endless designs you can make. So no matter whether it's the 70s or 2023, granny squares are always popular with crochet designers and makers. Granny squares continue to pop up on Instagram feeds. There's too many creative ways in which they are used by makers and designers. One of the things that people really appreciate about the Wobbles kit is how straightforward and user-friendly the instructions are. Even if you never picked up a crochet hook before, the step-by-step video tutorials will have you making stitches in no time with their easy-peasy yarn. The Wobbles also offer unlimited help over emails, text, plus virtual crochet office hours. Many thanks for taking some time to check out this quick tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training, DIY, hobby, passion project courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. There's also a playlist I have created so you will go straight to that instead of scrolling through my channel. Please make sure you check out these courses as well floating around right here. And always remember to learn something new and share it to the world. Many thanks. This is Marky Williams and I'm out.